So, we've come to the last session of the conference, but we have good news. It's not the end. Sprints are happening tomorrow, so from 10 till 3 we've got sprints in here. We'll have coffee and breakfast from 9:30. We've got a little bit of a change of plan, so the sprints will be in space 0, which is downstairs, which is nicer space anyway, and hopefully we'll have some Wi-Fi. There are descriptions of the sprints projects in the Discord channel. If you want to come and run a sprint, you have anything that you want to have people come and work with you on, just add your project to the sprints channel and tell people about it. Now, luckily, Mark's already prepped you on how to show your appreciation. So we have a lot of people to thank, and all of us, we need to thank them together. I don't have a huge amount of time to do it. So I would one more time like to thank all of our sponsors for their support and their contribution to our community. We have also had here with us this year some of our community groups, so I hope you've enjoyed chatting to them about what they do. So thank you to the University of Manchester, PyData, and the Django Software Foundation for joining us this year. Thank you to our STTRs, Julia and Joanne, who've done... They have done a wonderful job of turning our speakers' words into text, even when we forgot to tell them about a speaker change. We promise never to do that again. Promise. Thanks to Alex and the rest of the AV crew who have handled all of our asks. Even the complete madness of the lightning talks. And they've made things work even when the solution means Alex literally running up and down these stairs every 5 minutes for an hour. So thank you so much. Our video team, we've got Rodrigo over there who's doing the video and streaming to Space 2. We've also got Tim and his volunteers who are handling the recording and uploading to YouTube. So please give them a big round of applause. And you're probably used to going to tech conferences and being told that talks are being recorded, they're going to be online later, and later usually means like several weeks later. But thanks to the power of Tim, we have Friday and Saturday talks up already, and today's will probably be there later tonight. Lunch has been amazing. Thank you for Alex and the team at Brew for the fantastic food and just being generally nice and friendly and great to everyone. The venue, so we have Rachel and Esme who have been our main contacts at the venue. They've been great, but so have all of the staff here. They've all been amazing. So not everything has gone entirely to plan. They've handled every challenge that we've thrown at them with really good humour, so thank you very much. We have a free creche at PYCON UK. It's something that we have every year. We always want to have it available even when we don't have anyone in it. We want for anyone who has children who couldn't come to PyCon UK unless there was someone to look after them. We want that to be available always. So thank you to Hanasha and Iona from the creche. I think you'll agree that the standard of our programme this year has been amazing. So thank you to all our speakers, our workshop leaders, our lightning talk speakers. Without you, we wouldn't have a conference at all. So thank you. Our volunteers. So if you volunteered for anything, whether you did anything or not, so I mean, some people volunteered, there wasn't anything to help with, but we really, really appreciate the fact that they volunteered at all. So if you helped with anything, whether it was setup, session chairing, the welcome desk, helping us replace the water bottles and the water fountains, trying to fix the Wi-Fi, anything, could you please stand up? Thank you. Is Dimitri here? Can you wave if you're here? I wanted to do a special shout out to Dimitri because he volunteered for so much session sharing in Space 2 that we renamed it the Dimitri Zone. So thank you, Dimitri. Can I have all the organisers on the stage, please? Hopefully you're here. So,
where do you want us lined up?
in the middle.
You don't want to be alphabetical order, do you?
Yeah, go on. So this is your 2025 organising team. Please give them a huge round of applause. Thank you. And we have our photographer somewhere. Hello. So Mark up there, our photographer, has been running around taking photos everywhere. Thank you, Mark. And finally, you. I would like to thank you all for coming. Thank you for your good humour when things don't always go to plan, for your appreciation of our experienced speakers and your encouragement of our new ones. If you would like to get involved with running this conference, speak to any of the organisers, but especially Christian. Thank you for being part of our community. Thank you for making PYCON UK what it is. Thank you. I do have one apology to make, which is I totally underestimated how popular this would be. I have 5 elusive bee stickers left. So if you didn't get one, come and find me, but you're going to need to be quick. So that's it. There's one last request, which is that we need to empty and move the water fountains tonight. So could you please go and fill up your water bottles on the way out so that we empty them as much as possible? And if you're willing to help move some heavy things, can you please come to the registration desk and someone will tell you what to do.
And just before we close, I'm just going to shove you off the mic for a moment because there is one very important final thank you that we do need to do. And this is a small token of our appreciation for all your hard work. So I saw that earlier. So, Becky asked me at the back end of last year and a number of other people if they'd be involved in running the conference and has wrangled us into some sort of organisation, even when it's against our natural abilities, and has basically single-handedly pulled together this amazing conference. So one final thank you and enormous, biggest, largest round of applause to Becky for everything that she's done.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at the Sprints.